Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful weight loss video for you today. Now, have you ever thought of drinking baking soda to lose weight? Nah, neither have I. But do you know baking soda can actually help you lose weight? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose weight drinking baking soda. And what this is going to do, it's going to melt the fat from your arms, your thighs, your back, and your belly. All right? So stay tuned for the video. If you're struggling to get rid of that excess weight and get that flat belly, but instead of turning to natural remedies, you prefer using those over-the-counter pills and drinks and all sorts of other concoctions that are not healthy, well, those are ineffective and can also cause you some sort of issues at some point. But fortunately, there are so many natural ingredients which can help you solve this problem. Now today I'm going to tell you all the wonderful benefits of baking soda and its ability to promote weight loss. Baking soda has alkaline properties which are crucial for fat burning and the absorption of necessary nutrients. So here are 3 simple recipes on baking soda which can help you to get rid of that fat buildup. So stay tuned for the video and I'm going to show you the recipes right now. Fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it. So this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.